Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Today, I am going to conduct an interesting social science class for the students of class 2. Our today's topic is Lesson 19, Reading plus True False. I repeat, our today's topic is Lesson 19, Reading plus True False. Dear students, this is our lecture number 7 and SW number 6. This is our lecture number 7 and SW number 6 on our annual term syllabus. Dear students, the name of our title is People Who Work for Us. We all know that around our society or in our society, we see different types of people, those who work for us. For example, the doctor, the policeman, the postman, the farmers. And our today's focus is on these 4 types of people. So all of you open your social studies book, this book, social studies book, page number 42. Social Studies book, lesson 19, page number 42. The title is People Who Work for Us. I hope that all of you have opened your Social Studies book, page number 42, lesson 19, People Who Work for Us. At first, we will start reading. So, look at the title again. It is People Who Work for Us. Look, many people work for us. They help us in many ways. There are the doctor, the policeman, the postman and the farmer. All these are very helpful to us. So look at the people, those who work for us. For example, the doctor, the policeman, the postman, the farmer. And all these people are very helpful to us. That means they do a very helpful work for us. At first we will read the doctor. So look at the title, it is the doctor. Doctors work in the hospitals. Where do they work? They work in the hospitals. When we feel sick, we go to the doctor. He examines us. That means he checks us and gives us medicine. He makes us oil. He makes us oil. So look at the right side of our book or of our board. It is a picture of a doctor. So look at the picture of a doctor. I think all of you can see this picture clearly. It is a picture of a doctor. Now, number 2, it is the policeman. What is it? The policeman. A man who is a member of a police force is called policeman. So look at the definition or the definition of the policeman. A man who is a member of the police force is called a policeman. We can distinguish. Distinguish means differentiate. That means how can we separate a policeman? So look here, distinguish means to separate. We can distinguish a policeman by his or her dress. That means after looking at his or her dress, we can identify his or her as a policeman or woman. The policeman works in a police station called Thana. That means where do they work? They work in a police station and it is called Thana. He does or she does many good things. He arrests thieves. So look here, look at the works they do. He arrests thieves and robbers. He controls the traffic jam in a city also. So look here, look at the common activities of the policeman. That means they arrest thieves and robbers and they control the traffic jam in a city also. Now we will go to next page. So next page we will see the postman. So before going to the next page, I want to show you a picture of a policeman. So dear students, look at the board. There is a picture of a policeman. I think all of you have seen this picture. I hope that. Okay, now we will go to next page. It is the postman. What is it? The postman. The postman delivers letters to our houses. That means what does the postman do? That means the main concern is to deliver their letters. The postman delivers letter to our houses. he always carries a bag in his shoulder. So look at the picture here, we see that means he carries a bag in his shoulder. I hope that all of you can see this picture properly. Okay, it looks very good and it is very clear crystal to you. He always carries a bag in his shoulder. He also brings money when someone sends it to his relatives. So look another point, that means he does. He also brings money when someone sends it to his relatives. He is very sincere. So look at the word sincere, means very much punctual. Sincere means very much punctual. He is very sincere and hardworking in his work. So at the end of our sentence, we see that he is very much sincere and that means punctual and hardworking in his work. The postman is done. Now we will go to last portion, it is the farmer. The farmer. So look at the picture of a farmer. So look here, we see a picture of a farmer. Now we will go to the passage to read about the farmer. So look here, a farmer is a person whose main occupation is to produce food or fiber. So look here, that means the main concern or main work of a farmer or main business or occupation is to produce food or fiber. To produce food or fiber, the farmer cultivates lands. He grows many crops like paddy, wheat, jute and sugarcane. So look here, what does he grow? What does he grow? So look at the options or crops like he grow. So look at like paddy, wheat, jute and sugarcane. He is very hardworking. Okay, like the postman, the farmer is also very much hardworking and he spends the day times in agricultural. So look at the word, it is agricultural. In agricultural fields, he does a very good job for us. So look here, he is very hardworking and he spends the daytime in agricultural fields. He does a very good job for us. So dear students, at first we read about we have read about the doctor, then the policeman, then the postman, then the farmer. That means our reading session is done. Now we will go to the session that means true and false. So look here, identify true and false from the following sentences. What is written here? Identify. That means we have to identify true or false from the following sentences. I have given 4 sentences here and after reading we will understand whether they will be true or false. So look at number 1, doctors work in Thana. Doctors work in Thana. Okay, to understand this sentence we will go to the passage, that means where do the doctors work. So look here, it is written here, doctors work in the hospital, but in the true false it is written doctors work in Thana. That means this statement is false. So look here, this statement is F-A-L, false. You will write like this, it is false. Number 2, the postman delivers letters. The postman delivers letter. We will go to the passage to identify it whether it is true or false. The postman delivers letter. The postman delivers letter. So in the passage it is seen, that means the same answer. That means number 2 will be true. The postman delivers letter. It is true. Number 3, the farmers cultivate land. So the farmers cultivates land. So look here, it is seen that the farmers produced fiber, cultivates land. The farmers cultivates land. That means this statement is also true. Last true false, that means true false number 4. Policeman arrest thieves and robbers. The policeman arrest thieves and robbers. Okay, we will go to the passage. He, that means policeman arrest thieves and robbers. That means last statement 4 number is also true. So look here, only one number is false and the rest, that means 2, 3, 4, these 3 items are true. So 1 number is false, 2 number is true, 3 number true and 4 number is also true. Dear students, look at the end of our board, it is written SW. What is it? SW, that means homework, lesson 19, true false. Okay, this is our SW number 6. So look here, it is written also. This is our SW number 6 and your SW is true false. How many true false I have given? Only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these 4 are your SW, true false. Dear students, look here, it is written my phone number here, my phone number is given here and messenger ID is given here also. Dear students, I hope that all of you have understood this important social studies class and all of you have enjoyed this class. If anybody has any questions, so write in the comment box. Okay, that means your comment box, our comment box is open for you. If anybody has any kind of questions, write me. Inshallah, I will give the answer each of your questions. And abide by your parents' advice. At first, at the end of our class, I request all of you to do your SW in your SW copy. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.